Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Sally Hansen Insta Dry Against the Gray In and Static Nails Irene and Dance Legend Black Spotted. I'm going to do a fluid nail art. Here is the Against the Gray In. Beautiful. And then Static Nails Irene. Another gorgeous cream. And then the Dance Legend Magical Polish Spotted in the shade black. So I'm going to make some decals on my little mat. I'm just putting daubs of colors out. And you can see I've already gotten started. I never know which ones I'm going to use. What's on the stamper? What's on the mat? Who knows? I like having extra too. Just in case. Plus, this is just a lot of fun. So I've got the polishes down. Now I'm going to go in and add the magic polish that makes it bust up into sails. I'm going to do like 4 dots of the black. And then I'm going to go over the top with a little bit more of the other 2 colors. Just a couple more drops. Just kind of sandwich it all in there. And then I'm going to take my stamper. And I love using the clear stampers for this because you can kind of see what you're doing. I'll scroll you in a little bit and just mush down and lift up. And you can see those cells are already forming. Very nice. So I'm going to let it dry on the mat and on the stamper. And we're going to do another one. Because this is so much fun. I get into the mood for this kind of thing and kind of get a little obsessed with it. But this one was definitely worth being a little obsessed over. It turned out really cool. There we go with the spotted in black. There we go. And then just a couple more drops of the other polishes. And here we go. We're going to mush down, pull up. I love, this is kind of like water marble. It always looks different, each one. So I'm going to use that Wet n Wild clear protector and just go over these. They've totally dried. I'm going to let them sit overnight. And then I'm going to apply more of this to them tomorrow when I apply them to my nails. And I will bring you along for that. But I just wanted to give you an idea of what I was doing, how I was doing it, how long it took. So here I am. I'm putting more on the next day. Just going over it, globbing it kind of on there. And I'm going to let them sit for a while. I don't know, 15 minutes maybe. And then I'm going to use the IMK Bio Base, the sticky one. This is the sticky one. But I am doing just one nail at a time on this. And I have flipped that image, or that decal over so that the pretty side is facing up. I've got a little makeup wedge and I'm just using that to kind of smush this down onto the nail real well, make sure it sticks good. And I'm going to use my cuticle pusher tool to kind of cut around the nail so I don't have to acetone my way through this. I would rather cut as much of it as I can off before I go in with the acetone. For me, the acetone is like final cleanup and melt the decal to the nail a little bit. Okay, and now I'm going to get out my scissors. My little smushy scissors are down in the desk, so I'm just grabbing these big honking regular scissors. Danger noodles. So here we go. So I've got that mostly trimmed up, pretty happy with it. I am mushing it to make sure that with me kind of pressing on it that I didn't dislodge it or move it. And now I'm going to go in and I am tapping with my acetone brush. I'm not swooping yet. I'm not swiping. I'm just tapping down along the edges. It's kind of sealing it to the nail and, you know, start getting that polish loosened up for me. And I'm going to go up under and across the edge here. And now I'm swooping. Now I'm doing my regular kind of cleanup. I just didn't want to be smearing that stuff all over my finger. We go with the tapping across the end some more. And for me, this is the most in-depth part. I've got a little piece missing here on the corner. I could use some more of the decal, but I'm being lazy, and since it's so abstract, I'm just going to get a teeny bit of polish on my brush and just dab it in. No one will ever know but me and you. I mean, with this kind of look, you really, you can get away with that. I'm just going to straight up top this one with Poshe top coat. No need to, worry about smearing, because these were dry, and after flipping them over, the real dry side was facing up, so I wouldn't worry about smearing. So there we go. Got to get Woody out here. Yes, thank you. Hi, Woody. How you doing? So that's what they look like, and I decided to add some little studs, some little like gem studs. I've got circles and squares in the same color blue, so I'm doing that on my accent nails. Just using my regular Poshe top coat. I'm going to put another layer of that on there, and use my little wax stick. I'm going to try to apply these the best I can. Y'all know I'm not good at this. I don't get them straight or even. It's just a thing with me. I just playing my best game, doing the best I can, and it's okay, because normally I'm talking with my hands and they're busy anyway, so nobody's going to notice. But like I said, me and you, and that's because y'all are watching it up close. Most people don't see your nails that close, So there we go, and once those are on there, I'm going to apply another, I did it to the thumb, I'm going to apply another layer of Poshe top coat thickly over the top of that. I say thickly, I didn't go too crazy. It wasn't like globbing off my nail, but I did want to make sure I covered it really well. Keep them smooth and flat. So here is my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.